Today I'm going to show you 10 of the most commonly eaten dishes in Indonesia. Let's go. So Gadogado is mainly a vegetarian style dish. It has cucumber, tempeh, some eggs, some tomato, carrots, lettuce, cucumber, bean sprouts and potato, has tofu and beans, and it's smothered with a creamy peanut sauce, beautiful peanut sauce. You can also add sambal or chili to this, and that is Gadogado, one of Indonesia's national dishes. It's very commonly eaten all over Indonesia, Gadogado. Next is Sotto ayam. It's a chicken style turmeric based soup. It's found all over Indonesia. So Sotto soup consists of vermicelli noodles, some cabbage, some fried shallots, some fried potato chips, some eggs, some lime juice, some roasted chicken, and then added with a beautiful turmeric based Sotto soup. That is Sotto ayam. It's a very common dish all over Indonesia. Try it out, Sotto soup. So next up we have satay. Now there's mainly three types of satay sold in Indonesia. It's satay kambing, which is goat satay, satay ayam, which is chicken satay, and satay babi, which is pig satay. It's grilled over charcoal. You get normally 10 sticks of satay and some teapat rice with it, which is rice cooked in a banana leaf, and then it's served with a peanut sauce with some sweet soy mixed in with it and some chili, and that is satay. Now it can be found all over Indonesia, everywhere sells satay. So first he uses some garlic, chili and spices, then he adds some oil, some vegetables, add a touch of egg and then fry that off. Then he adds cold white rice, some salt, pepper, some MSG, fries that off. And nasi goreng can be found all over Indonesia. It's eaten everywhere. Now that's ready to serve. Thank you, sir. Nasi goreng. Okay, so lalapan is just chicken, some cabbage, some rice, maybe some tempeh. Right, so we've got nasi putih with white rice, some chicken, we get tempeh and tofu, some cabbage and some basil and a bit of cucumber, and that is typically lalapan. So this is Nashi Champor. Now Nashi Champor is just a variety of different meats and vegetables, and Nasi means white rice and Champor means mixed. So Nashi Champor just means rice with mixed food. So you just pick what you want, then they'll give you some white rice. Go along, pick what you want. Got some egg. I got some terong, which is eggplant, chili, an egg, and then a piece of chicken. So it's up to you what you choose. It's up to you what you want to eat. And that is Nashi Champor. You can find this all over Indonesia. So this is Nasikuni. It's just a turmeric based rice to give it the yellow colour. It's very popular all over Indonesia, Nasikuni. And then you just pick what you want. So I just picked some chicken, some other chicken, some sambal, some potato and an egg, and just eat that with the rice. So it's more or less a Nashi Champor, just with the yellow rice, which is Nasikuni. It's found all over Indonesia and it's a very popular breakfast food, Nasikuni. Next up we have Baktalur, which is an egg martabak. First they got some egg, and they put some spices, and it's sort of like a curry mix with it, some chicken and some shallots. Then they get the pastry, they flap it out. It's a very oily pastry, and put it in a flat pan with a lot of oil, smearing the contents onto that, folding it up, letting it shallow fry. Now martabak is found all over Indonesia. There's different types of martabak. You can get sweet ones, sometimes with banana and condensed milk, but this is an egg one. They are really beautiful. It's a great snack. You can eat it with rice or you can just eat it the way it is. It's then chopped up and placed in a box, and it's eaten with green chilli. And that is Baktalur. Next up we have Buxo. Now Buxo is found everywhere in Indonesia. There's little carts, push carts and motorbike carts of Buxo everywhere. First they put some cabbage and some vermicelli noodles, some little crispy wontons, and then it's actually a meatball soup. So you can see him adding the meatballs here. Then they put some dried shallots and some sweet soy, some chili, some sambal in it, and then it's added with a beautiful chicken soup. It's a chicken stock soup, and that's it. That is Buxo meatball soup, and it's absolutely delicious. Now last but not least we have Indomie. Now Indomie is just instant noodles. It can be found everywhere in Indonesia. It's actually exported. It's really big in Malaysia. You can find it in every supermarket, even in Australia now. It is massive. So all you do, what I do to give it a bit of nutrition, is boil the noodles. I add some egg with it, and then I add like some spring onions, some Chinese cabbage, a bit of garlic. And there you have it, Indomie. It's very widely eaten all over Indonesia because it's cheap and it's an easy meal. Indomie. And that is the 10 most commonly eaten foods in Indonesia. I hope you liked the video. If so, I'll see you on the next one.